The selection of a structural system for the Surry Hills Community Center is a result of supporting loads and the consideration of environmental factors. As concrete has a high amount of embodied energy in its production, a two-way flat slab system might seem like a rather conventional choice. However, the specific use of a post-tension two-way flat slab system reduces the amount of material needed, which also further reduces member sizes. Using concrete also has the benefit of providing an automatic fire-rated assembly. Generally, the two-way flat slab system proves to be more economical than one-way systems by virtue of being able to produce columns in square or nearly square bays. Two-way flat slab systems are typically suited to heavily loaded buildings such as storage and industrial buildings. In the case of Surry Hills, it must deal with significant live loads. The flat formwork is thickened around the top of each column, forming drop panels to resist shear forces, which could result in the column punching through the slab. By putting the concrete slab into compression and the steel into tension, these building materials are put into their strongest states. When a concrete floor slab is subjected to forces, it flexes and bends as a result of gravity pulling down on the slab, as well as the additional weight that is applied to the top of the slab. The combination of flexing and bending creates tensile forces that, without reinforcing, would result in the floor slab cracking. The steel reinforcing bars are placed in a reinforced pattern based on the bending forces acting on the slab. The reinforcing pattern consists of column strips and middle strips, with each strip changing pattern slightly to accommodate the different bending forces that occur between columns and along the edge of the slab. The overall structural system performs well under dead and point loads. However, it has a tendency to twist due to resultant wind loads. This tendency is mitigated by an L-shaped core which counteracts these forces. The complete flatness of this system also keeps the effective floor-to-floor heights to a minimum, which reduces overall costs for the enclosure.